Have you been searching for the perfect pickup truck with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 Harley-Davidson edition in Summit White. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, adaptive cruise control, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 4,000 miles on the odometer, 13-inch touchscreen, navigation, heated rear seats, power sunroof, 6.2-liter V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 10575A.